Another live. I am Joanne Francis from Daily Skin Solutions. I am your skin expert and specialist, licensed over 35 years, working with the most prominent dermatologists, plastic surgeons, pathologists, chemists, scientists in the industry. This is my passion to help you achieve the best skin that you are looking for your investment. And it is done daily. Like I said, Daily Skin Solutions. So reach out if you have questions. Just ask questions. There's no obligation to buy anything. Questions on anything. You can reach me, text or call 561-785-4012. And do visit www.dailyskinsolutions.com. Read about everything, but do reach out with questions. I am here for you as a free skin consultant. Now, today's subject, collagen and retinols. The reason I'm talking about this today, and it's pretty in-depth, so I typed out my notes so I didn't forget anything, is because I got a phone call yesterday. Someone was asking me about lasers. My first question is always, what are your skin concerns that you're looking into lasers? This person was in her 50s, and she has experienced the conditions of menopause, which is and age, loss of collagen, elasticity, and sagging skin. So I'm going to get into why the first thing I don't recommend is lasers or anything like that. But you want to understand, why do you have loss of collagen? Why is the skin sagging? Because to know the answer to the questions or concerns that you have is the best way to get the results that you're looking for. Otherwise, wow, it is a crapshoot. Go out there and try to keep getting things done becomes very expensive, especially with products that we're not sure that is doing anything. That's why a free skin coach in Joanne Francis is a wonderful thing to experience and to getting some of the answers. So today's subject is collagen and retinols. So first of all, what is collagen? Collagen is the largest molecule in the skin. Is why topical collagen creams will not do anything, because the molecular size of collagen in creams cannot penetrate the skin. It just sits on the surface. Collagen is a protein. That's a key component of the skin. It provides structure, strength, and support. It helps keep skin from sagging, and it gives a youthful look. We know that by looking at young children. Collagen's specific roles in the skin include fibroblast production. Now, what are fibroblasts? A fibroblast is a cell that contributes to the formation of connective tissue. Fibroblasts secrete collagen proteins that help maintain the structure framework of tissue. This is your support in the skin. We lose the collagen underneath. We also lose bone. We also lose elasticity. Why the skin sags. How do we get it to go back up again? Okay? By putting in or stimulating the support system. That is our collagen. Collagen helps fibroblasts form in the dermis. That's the middle layer of skin. You're not going to get results by just treating the surface of the skin. And that helps new cells to grow. Now I know, again, I'm getting in technical here, but understanding is what I'm here to help you achieve. Or why are you doing all these things out there and treatments and products out there without support and not getting results? So I think that's why it's very important to understand and why I'm helping you. So, replacing dead skin cells. So first of all, we need to remind the skin when it ages or how it ages. It doesn't shed dead skin cells like it did when we were younger, slower cell turnover. So we want to increase skin cell turnover. That's by stimulation. Collagen plays a role in replacing dead skin cells. First, we have to get rid of the layers of dead skin that's blocking the production of collagen from coming up. The skin gets very stagnant, very slowed down. We want to remind the skin to have healthy cell turnover. Collagen production does decrease with age. So, other ways to increase collagen production in the skin, and we'll get to the retinol shortly, in the skin includes why people call and why I got the phone call yesterday about lasers. So treatments like lasers and microneedling. These are minimally invasive cosmetic procedures. They cause a controlled injury, which helps stimulate your skin's natural healing process. So it produces more collagen and elastin. This can help smooth, firm, tone, and improve the appearance of not only skin, but scars and wrinkles. However, and this is very important, it's important to have healthy skin before you do any treatments. Healthy skin means it's a strong barrier, hydrated from within, not sensitive, because we know that sensitive skin just means skin is not healthy. We also want the melanocyte cells that produce our melanin or our color, especially those that suffer with melasma. We want it to be functioning healthy and not overactive. This helps to ensure an even procedure and proper healing. So many people used to come to us in our med spa. I want a peel, I want microneedling, I want lasers. And they've gone someplace else and it made their skin worse. They were not talked to about healthy skin and the importance of having treatments on skin that is healthy. So, another way of stimulating collagen and elastin on a daily basis, and it does take doing things daily, hence daily skin solutions. So here I'm getting into a discussion about retinols and daily skin solutions retinols. So retinols, and everyone should be on a retinol. We start aging at the age of around 28. That's scary, even though we may not see the effects until we're 40 years or older. So a lot of people do reach out to me for prevention. Boy, do we have great prevention of aging, which comes from environment, pollution, UV radiation. So retinols increase cell production, increases collagen and elasticity, helps to unclog pores. Even more, with a full protocol from Daily Skin Solutions that's right for you and your specific concerns, proper products for the skin, your skin type and condition. For example, skin needs a professional cleanser and toner. Oil control, because we know oil is an enemy of the skin and ages us, causes issues and diseases in the skin. You do want to have gentle exfoliating serum every day or every other day. That's where I help guide you, because we do want to remind the skin on a daily basis, hey, cell turnover, no getting lazy, no couch potato here. You also want to be on the barrier repair cream. This repairs damage in the skin from years of sun exposure, aging, DNA damage, and of course, Daily Skin Solutions, one of the sunscreens. Depends on lifestyle. I'll help you pick the right one for you and what you're looking to achieve from it. Daily Skin Solutions sunscreens are all mineral-based, no chemicals. Okay, so the two retinols that Daily Skin Solutions has. Deep wrinkle reduction with bakuchiol. It does come in 3 strengths, 0.25%, 0.05%, and 1%. So bakuchiol, wow, this is such an incredible ingredient. It is a plant-based antioxidant. It's anti-aging. Bakuchiol can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating collagen production and accelerating skin turnover. So what a combination to have bakuchiol with your retinol. Collagen is the protein that gives the skin structure and flexibility, and production decreases naturally with age. Bakuchiol can also help protect skin from environmental stressors, UV radiation damage, which causes premature aging. Now, you know I've talked about conventional aging and premature aging. Let's prevent premature aging. Nobody wants to look older faster. Sensitive skin. Bakuchiol can soothe skin and is good for people with sensitive skin conditions like rosacea or eczema. Bakuchiol also helps with acne, skin discoloration, and clogged pores. This is in your deep wrinkle reduction. Deep wrinkle reduction is time-released. With the bakuchiol, clinically researched ingredient, considered a gold standard to support retinol, and is in Daily Skin Solutions retinol. Deep wrinkle reduction also has the highest pharmaceutical grade on the market, 90% green tea polyphenols. This really helps with irritation, redness, and flaking. You know, I'm 63. I want anti-age, and I do it aggressively. I'll peak and go down at times, maybe if it's going to be a weekend away or vacation. And I have rosacea. So I always struggled with aggressive anti-aging for myself, but then I'm always red. We've got that covered with your 90% pharmaceutical, not industrial grade, pharmaceutical grade green tea polyphenols. Deep wrinkle reduction has a new and innovative retinoid active pro-penetrant delivery system. It's the newest delivery system on the market. Deep wrinkle reduction is formulated with an all-trans retinol, clinically proven pure and active retinoid. Deep wrinkle reduction has caffeine. This helps to also minimize redness and irritation. Daily Skin Solutions' other retinol is called fine line reduction. Also comes in 3 strengths, 0.03, 0.05, and a 0.1%. Also enhanced with a revolutionary time-release delivery system. It leaves the skin smoother, firmer, and more evenly toned. Fine line reduction also has caffeine, enhances antioxidant activity, and helps to minimize the appearance of redness. And it has hyaluronic acid. We know that's natural hydration in the skin. Fine line reduction is great in a protocol for acne. So call for your free consultation with me, Joanne Francis of Daily Skin Solutions, to know what is the best retinol for you and what supportive products is right for your skin's concerns. So when I do a protocol sheet for you, which looks like this is someone else's, but it looks like this. The products are in order of use. I help guide you with your budget. You start from the bottom of the protocol sheet down. Not that you have to afford everything at once. I'll help guide you, but you always want to start, again, with healthy skin. I do recommend that you don't mix Daily Skin Solutions with almost any other product on the market, except for one of them that a lot of people are presently using that I've talked about in the past. So I help guide you. I help put products together. I don't like people to waste money. I'm here to support you in the best way that I possibly can with the science and the knowledge that I study daily. So please like and share this video for those who may want guidance and help with their skin. We all struggle, most of us, with skin issues and are very frustrated with a lot of hard-earned money that we spend on products that are just not given the results. Or it's too many steps, or it's too irritating. And it's important that knowing that I follow up with you. Reach out to me daily if you have to. Oh, Joanne, I started this product, I'm getting a little irritation. Is it normal? I will help adjust your protocol accordingly to help guide you to get the best results. And it can take 1 or 2 cell cycles to get there. Sometimes a reaction is needed for results. But we can control that. There's a lot of products in Daily Skin Solutions for you to read about, but know that I'm here to guide you. Again, 561-785-4012. Call me, text me, ask me questions here. Also, is there a subject you would like me to cover? I do hope this was helpful for you to understand, which the subject was collagen and retinols. It is never too late to start anti-aging or prevent. Everybody, thank you for joining me, and please do leave comments of how I've helped you in the past to help others. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you again for joining me.